Imagine building a robot, a marvel of engineering, and launching it into the vastness of space, then letting it travel endlessly, venturing farther than anything we've ever made. That's Voyager 1. In 1977, NASA sent this extraordinary machine on a daring mission to explore the giant planets Jupiter and Saturn, capturing breathtaking images and collecting data no human had ever witnessed before. Voyager 1 wasn't just a camera, it was a fully equipped science lab, measuring magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and the invisible forces that shape our solar system. It uncovered volcanic moons, icy surfaces hiding secret oceans, and revealed mysteries that changed our understanding of the cosmos. Voyager 1 transformed our view of the solar system, showing us just how dynamic and surprising our planetary neighbors can be. After its historic planetary tour, Voyager 1 didn't stop. Its new mission was even more ambitious. Media, Voyager 1 leaving solar system, spacecraft crossing heliopause, space probe in interstellar space to reach interstellar space, venturing beyond the sun's influence into the unknown. For decades, it's traveled farther from home than any human-made object, carrying a golden record, a time capsule with Earth's sounds, music, and images, a message to any distant life that might find it. Why does it matter? Because Voyager 1 is our only direct link to the galaxy beyond our solar system, a lone explorer in the vast interstellar sea. It's a symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity, sending back precious data from the unknown, helping us understand our place in the universe. Every faint signal it sends is a new page in our cosmic story, a message from the edge of the solar system. Voyager 1 has outlasted all expectations, continuing its lonely journey into the great unknown, defying the odds year after year. And now, after all these years, that journey has taken a very strange and unexpected turn. The little probe that could is about to surprise us all over again, reminding us that space is full of wonders. Stay tuned, because Voyager's incredible story is far from over, and the next chapter promises even more discoveries. Let's see what happened next, as Voyager 1 continues its epic adventure. Voyager 1 is now over 16 billion miles from Earth, making it the most distant human-made object in existence. It's so far away that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 22 hours to reach it from Earth. If you tried to drive that distance at 60 miles per hour without stopping for food, sleep, or fuel, it would take you more than 30,000 years, longer than all of recorded human history. Messages sent to Voyager 1 now take more than 22 hours each way, almost 2 days for a simple hello and an answer. Communicating with Voyager is like talking to someone on the other side of time itself. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 used gravity assist from Jupiter and Saturn to slingshot itself faster and farther, eventually speeding toward the edge of the solar system at a blistering 38,000 miles per hour. Its journey has taken it past worlds we once only dreamed of visiting. It traveled through the sun's protective bubble, called the heliosphere, before finally crossing into interstellar space in 2012. A boundary no other spacecraft had ever crossed. For the first time in history, a human-made object entered the space between stars, a region where the forces of our galaxy dominate and the sun's influence fades away. Every single day, Voyager 1 adds another million miles to its journey, venturing deeper into the unknown, further than any probe before it. Its power source, a nuclear battery, is slowly fading, forcing scientists to carefully shut down instruments one by one to conserve what little energy remains. Each decision is a farewell to a part of the spacecraft's capabilities. Yet, against all odds, Voyager 1 keeps sending back data, postcards from the edge of everything we know, offering glimpses into the mysteries of deep space. Voyager's journey is a powerful reminder of just how vast the universe truly is, and how incredibly small and fragile our home planet appears from such a distance. It's a tiny speck, drifting through the endless galaxy, still talking to us after nearly 50 years, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. And its adventure isn't over yet. Voyager 1 continues to push the boundaries of exploration, heading into regions of space no one has ever seen. The next chapter of Voyager's journey is even stranger, as it drifts into the unknown, carrying our message to the stars. What did scientists expect out there? Interstellar space was supposed to be calm, with a steady increase in plasma density and a predictable hum. The sun's influence would fade, replaced by the galaxy's magnetic field and cosmic rays. Voyager 1's data matched our models. Nothing shocking, just confirmation that our physics worked even at the edge. The probe measured a gradual change in its environment, a low, steady plasma hum. For years, everything seemed predictable. This period of calm let scientists refine their theories and feel confident in our understanding. Voyager 1's success was a triumph. We'd sent a probe billions of miles away, and it confirmed our view of the universe. But the universe had a surprise in store. Just when we thought we understood, Voyager 1 became the messenger for something much stranger. The calm was about to end. The next signal would change everything. Voyager was about to deliver the unexpected. In late 2023, Voyager 1, humanity's most distant messenger, fell mysteriously silent. For decades, it had faithfully sent back whispers from the edge of our solar system, but suddenly its voice faded into uncertainty. It still sent a signal, but the data was gibberish, just repeating ones and zeros, a digital heartbeat with no meaning. The spacecraft was alive, but its words were lost in static. NASA's engineers at JPL faced a daunting challenge. How do you fix a memory chip failure from 16 billion miles away, with a 45-hour delay for every command? Every decision was a leap of faith, and every mistake could be final. The culprit was a corrupted memory chip in the flight data subsystem, the brain responsible for packaging all science data and sending it home. Without it, Voyager was effectively mute. With no backup, the team had to get creative, rearranging code to avoid the broken memory, like storing files in new closets or rerouting messages through unfamiliar hallways. It was digital surgery on a patient they could never touch. After months of careful work, sleepless nights, and countless calculations, they sent the fix and waited. The silence was heavy, every hour stretching into eternity. In April 2024, Voyager 1 spoke clearly again. Its signal, once lost, now rang out across the void, a beacon of hope and resilience. First came health updates, then science data, proof that the spacecraft had survived its ordeal and was ready to continue its journey. The mission was saved, a triumph of ingenuity, teamwork, and persistence. Against all odds, Voyager endured. But as Voyager resumed its work, it began sending back something no one expected. The data was different, strange, intriguing, and utterly new. The universe had been waiting for us to listen again, as if holding its breath for our return. Now it was ready to speak. What Voyager said next would stun everyone. The silence was over, replaced by a message that would challenge everything we thought we knew. A new mystery was about to begin, one that would push the boundaries of science and imagination. And it started, as all great stories do, with a single, unexpected signal. With its systems restored, Voyager 1 resumed sending data from interstellar space. At first, everything looked normal, until a new structured signal emerged. Instead of the usual random plasma hum, Voyager detected a repeating musical tone, a pure, organized wave. This shouldn't be possible. Interstellar space is supposed to be chaotic, not orderly. Scientists checked for errors, but the spacecraft was fine. The signal was real, coming from outside Voyager, in the interstellar medium. Even stranger, the signal would appear for hours, then vanish, only to return later with the same properties. No known natural phenomenon could explain such a clean, repeating wave. It was as if a single flute note rose above the cosmic noise. The discovery challenged everything we thought we knew about the space between stars. Voyager had found something impossible. The universe had just gotten a lot weirder, and scientists were desperate to understand it. The scientific community was stunned. Was this a glitch or a new cosmic phenomenon? After ruling out technical errors, the reality set in. The signal was real. Theories flew. Could it be a new kind of plasma interaction, a natural space laser, or something even stranger? The signal's repeating on and off nature defied explanation. Some speculated about exotic objects, primordial black holes, strange matter, or even artificial origins. No one could rule anything out. Dr. Stella Acker, Voyager's plasma wave lead, said, "We thought we were on a calm sea. Now it feels like we've heard the song of a creature from the deep." The discovery electrified the field. The universe was stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. And the puzzle had only just begun. Why should we care about a weird signal from deep space? Because it reminds us the universe is full of surprises and new physics waiting to be discovered. Breakthroughs like this have changed our world before, from electricity to radio waves. Voyager's signal could hint at forces or phenomena we've never imagined, opening doors to future technologies. It's a testament to the value of pure exploration. Voyager was launched out of curiosity, and it's still paying off. This discovery inspires new generations, expands our knowledge, and gives us perspective. When we feel small, Remember, a tiny probe 16 billion miles away is still teaching us about the universe. It connects us all in awe and wonder. The story of Voyager belongs to everyone, and its message is clear: keep exploring. Voyager 1's story isn't over. A new chapter has begun. The impossible signal has given the aging probe a renewed mission. Scientists are racing to gather as much data as possible before Voyager's power runs out, likely by 2030. Every observation is scrutinized, every signal a potential clue. The urgency is real. This is our only chance to study this phenomenon directly. Voyager's discovery makes a strong case for new interstellar missions, with better instruments and new questions. The next generation of explorers will follow Voyager's path, seeking the secrets it revealed. Voyager's journey is a story of ambition, ingenuity, and mystery. It's shown us that even in the emptiness between stars, there are wonders waiting. There is music in the void, and we, on our small blue dot, are lucky enough to listen. The universe is calling, and Voyager 1 is still answering.